Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about one of Bybit's most useful products, their debit card, which is perfect for making crypto payments abroad or within your own country. Today, you'll find out why the Bybit Card can become a convenient solution for your daily life, learn about its features and benefits, and understand how to avoid mistakes when applying for the card. Let me start by saying that I've been using this card for a while now, and in my opinion, it's very convenient. First of all, the Bybit Card is a regular Mastercard, but with one important feature. It instantly converts your cryptocurrency into fiat money. You just need to have USDT or BTC tokens on your card balance to start making purchases. Then the card does everything for you. As soon as you make a payment, Bybit automatically converts your tokens at the current USD rate and uses them for the transaction. By the way, payments are not limited to USD. You can pay in other currencies too, which means the card is available worldwide, except for a few restricted countries. Another interesting feature is Bybit's Cashback system. It surpasses many traditional banks in percentage rates, making purchases with this card much more profitable. We'll go into more detail about Cashback a bit later. For now, let's look at how to apply for the card and the conditions to get it. You can visit the official Bybit website, link in the description under this video. The application process is actually quite simple. You just log into your Bybit account, complete verification, go to the Bybit card section and select your country and currency. Currently, there are two types of cards: European, for all European regions, and Australian, which works in most other countries. Of course, there are some countries where the card is not available, but these restrictions are only based on location. This means that if you're in a country where the Bybit card can be issued, you can easily get it, regardless of your citizenship. The final step is to provide your address and attach all necessary documents for verification. Then within 1 to 3 days, Bybit will send you information on how to receive your card. I want to note that it's unlikely you'll bypass the exchange's rules or get a card in a restricted country. I don't recommend using third-party helpers, as you risk not only losing the card, but also your exchange account. Now let's talk about what to do after receiving your card. First, you can easily link it to Google Pay and Apple Pay, so you don't have to carry it with you. Bybit is also actively promoting its Bybit Pay service, which will likely make using the card even more convenient. Besides linking to payment systems, you can also connect it to all other services. You can use it for automatic subscription payments or shopping on marketplaces. Speaking of purchases, we can't forget the cashback system. By default, cashback is 4% on all purchases, with a limit of $150 per month. The percentage can increase depending on your VIP level on the exchange. For example, with VIP level 2, your cashback rises to 6% with a $250 limit. At VIP level 3, cashback reaches 8% with a $400 monthly limit. Additionally, Bybit offers 100% cashback for certain services. For example, subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, or ChatGPT can be fully refunded to your card as cashback. As for fees and limits, everything is very transparent. Card top-ups are free. Crypto-to-fiat conversion occurs at market rates, and limits are sufficient for most users. Withdrawals have a 2% fee. If the card is inactive for more than 6 months, Bybit charges a maintenance fee of up to $5. There are no hidden fees or charges, so you won't lose money using the card. From my experience, I've never had issues with the Bybit card. The only potential difficulties might be generating income reports, statements, or longer document verification. Even so, these minor issues are far outweighed by the opportunities the card provides. If you want to apply, you can visit the Bybit website via the link in the description below. If you have any questions about applying for or using the card, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to share my experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notifications about new reviews and useful tips on crypto and finance. See you in the next video, and may your crypto finances work for you.